Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to check subscription list on Snapchat. Alright, so first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to launch the app on your phone and then tap on your profile icon at the top left of the screen. Tap on my friends or my friends to see the list of people that you've subscribed to. View subscriptions to see the subscribers or the subscribes to you. Tap on your profile icon again and look for subscriptions or my subscribers. This will show you the list of people you are subscribed to and who follows you. So let's know in the comments if this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the